Assalamu alaikum dear students. The project is ready. The project of ripple tank is ready for you. It's totally in the working condition. You are seeing the waves moving on the screen. It has been produced by the vibrator motor which you are seeing moving. The vibrator pedal is being hung by these two springs, the helical springs I have used here. It was totally made by me. ये जरा गौर से देख लें, ये second helical spring है, and to lit the system there is a light over here. Okay, you're seeing the light. Light is making the reflections, and the reflections are shown by the bright and the dark fringes which are moving from one part of the tray to the other one. This one is the tray of the ripple tank. It is made by the glass. It has the glass bottom with plastic boundary walls to limit the water inside the tray. Okay? The whole system is run by this battery. The battery is of 12 volts. I will focus it for you. Just look. It has a voltmeter attached, and the needle of the voltmeter is showing 0 point something volts. It has a maximum capacity of 12 volts. Just look at it. Maximum capacities of 12 volts. And you are seeing a regulator here. This one is the regulator. By moving this regulator in and out, you can minimize or maximize the voltage. And beneath this voltage regulator, you are seeing two terminals. One is marked red and the other one is marked black. The red terminal is for the live wire, and the black terminal is for the neutral wire. Both these terminals would carry the electrons by the help of these wires to this motor which you are seeing in the working condition. Okay? Acha. Now look at this image system. Here I can focus it for you. Yeah, now these are in clear condition. There are some bright lines and there are some dark lines. Bright lines are formed by the crust which are being produced by moving this vibrator in and out. Okay, ये आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे. Spring is vibrating, the pedal is vibrating. That's why the dark and the bright fringes are being moving. Okay? Okay, I have made this project in my Eid vacations, and it is totally done for you dear students, and the efforts which the institution is making for you are marvelous. So please respect those efforts and work properly. Thank you very much.